Hello, and welcome to the CurioClips channel. I've made several videos about space that have gone fairly viral, and today I'm back at it again with 49 more facts that sound fake, but are totally real. These are going to be some of the weirdest space facts I've ever gathered in one video, so buckle up. Number 49, you can see Earth from space. This is actually one of the most common things to see when astronauts travel into space for the first time. They often break down crying as they look over the beautiful blue marble that is our home planet. Number 48, there is no sound in space. It may seem like there would be a roaring noise all around you, but because there are no particles for sound waves to travel through, everything is silent. Number 47, not all planets have moons. Mercury and Venus don't have any moons at all, which is very rare in our solar system. Most planets do have at least one moon. Number 46, gravity weaker on other planets. On Mars, you'd only weigh about 38% of what you weigh on Earth. And on Jupiter, you'd only weigh about 23% of your Earth weight. Number 45, the sun isn't yellow. In reality, it's actually white. We just see it as yellow because of our atmosphere. Number 44, if you went to sleep on the moon, you wouldn't wake up. Your body wouldn't be crushed by low gravity. And if you were in a spacesuit, you wouldn't suffocate or explode. But the lack of oxygen would eventually kill you. Number 43, our solar system is moving. The sun and all of the planets are hurtling around the galaxy at a speed of 828,000 kilometers per hour. Number 42, a year on Venus is longer than a year on Earth. A Venusian year is 225 Earth days long. Number 41, it rains diamonds on Saturn. The swings in temperature and pressure on Saturn cause diamonds to precipitate out of its atmosphere like rain. Number 40, your shadow doesn't follow you on the moon. Since there is no atmosphere, light travels in straight lines. So if you stand between the sun and the surface, your shadow will stay exactly where it is while you move around. Number 39, hot rocks melt on Mars. If you took a rock that was 1,000 degrees Celsius and dropped it on Mars, the rock would melt. The melting point of rock is 1,000 degrees Celsius. Number 38, space smells like toasted bread. It has been compared to the smell of burnt grain and ozone. Number 37, Uranus and Neptune are icy. The two planets are mostly made of ice. Number 36, Pluto has more moons than Mercury. Pluto has 5 known moons, and Mercury has none. Number 35, Earth has an atmosphere. Other planets in our solar system don't have atmospheres like ours, which is why we can survive here. Number 34, you can see stars during the day. If you take a powerful telescope and look above the horizon during the day, you'll be able to see stars. Number 33, alien worlds could have underground lakes. There are worlds out there that could have oceans and lakes of liquid water under their frozen surfaces. Number 32, planets can pass each other in the sky. In the next few decades, we should be able to see Jupiter pass in front of the sun. Number 31, a day on Venus is longer than a day on Earth. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Earth. Number 30, Earth has only had 1,000 years of recorded history. For over 10,000 years before that, people lived in tribes and didn't keep records. Number 29, a full moon doesn't cause werewolves. Despite what happens in movies and books, a full moon doesn't change people into monsters. Number 28, meteor showers happen every year. At certain times of the year, we get meteor showers as the Earth passes through paths of debris left behind by comets. Number 27, water vapor is on Mars. Scientists have found out that the reason why Mars is red is because it used to have lots of water on it, but it oxidized and turned into rust. Number 26, comets smell like cat pee. When NASA's Stardust mission flew through a comet, it detected that they smelled like formaldehyde and other organic molecules. Number 25, Jupiter has the strongest magnetic field in the solar system. Its magnetic field is so strong that it extends thousands of miles beyond the planet itself. Number 24, astronauts have to pee in a bag. There are special diapers that astronauts can wear, but they prefer to use the bags. Number 23, the Milky Way is a pinwheel galaxy. The galaxy has 4 main arms that spin around the center. Number 22, black holes can't be seen. The only way we know that black holes exist is by observing how they interact with other objects. Number 21, there are stars bigger than Earth. One such star is called 51 Pegasi b, and it is about the size of Jupiter. Number 20, The first spaceship to reach Pluto took 9.5 years. The New Horizons spacecraft reached Pluto in 2015. Number 19. A year on Jupiter is less than 10 days long. A year on Jupiter is just 9.5 days long. Number 18. There is a planet that has two suns. It is called WASP-33b and it orbits two small stars. Number 17. Saturn's rings are made of ice. They're only a few miles wide and are opaque from far away, but up close they're actually transparent. Number 16. The largest star in the universe is the size of 10 trillion Earths. It is called Uy Scuti and it is located in the constellation Scutum. Number 15. Exoplanets can have rings, too. One such exoplanet is WASP-12b, and it has rings that are even larger than Saturn's. Number 14. Some stars explode. When a massive star runs out of fuel, it can explode and release more energy than the sun will in its entire lifetime. Number 13. Alien creatures may be living in our solar system. There are many places in our solar system where life could potentially exist. Number 12. You can see the aurora australis from almost anywhere in Australia. Unlike the northern lights, about 65% of the population can see the southern lights. Number 11. Space junk is falling to Earth every year. There are tons of old satellites and pieces of debris falling to Earth every year, but most of it burns up in the atmosphere. Number 10. The International Space Station is the fourth brightest object in the night sky. Only the Moon, Venus, and Jupiter are brighter. Number 9. Supernovas create heavy elements. When a star explodes, it creates elements heavier than iron. These elements then become part of new stars and planets. Number 8. The Sun will eventually become a red giant. As the Sun gets older, it will expand and swallow up the inner planets, including Earth. Number 7. The Moon causes tides. The gravitational pull of the Moon causes the tides to rise and fall throughout the day. Number 6. Mars could have liquid water under its surface. Scientists think that there may be vast oceans of liquid water beneath the frozen surface of Mars. Number 5. Shooting stars aren't stars. They're actually pieces of debris burning up in the Earth's atmosphere. Number 4. There is a planet that has rainbows on it. The swings in temperature and pressure on Saturn create rainbows that last for months. Number 3. The Great Dark Spot is a hurricane on Neptune. The Great Dark Spot is a gigantic anticyclone storm that has been raging on Neptune for centuries. Number 2. Eclipses don't happen very often. A total solar eclipse only occurs once every 18 months and can only be seen from certain parts of the world. Number 1. You can see a green flash when the sun sets. This is a rare optical phenomenon that occurs when the sun aligns perfectly with the horizon. So which fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And also be sure to check out my other videos. I'm sure you'll love them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.